Hello, lovely yogi. Welcome to Flow with Shreya. I'm Shreya, and today I'm bringing you a bedtime yoga flow. In this flow, we'll practice postures that help us slow down, calm our bodies and minds down, and prepare for a restful sleep. So if you want to relax as you prepare for bedtime, come flow with me. Feel free to grab any props that you might find helpful for this practice. Maybe a blanket, a block, a bolster, whatever you find comfort with. And if you don't have any of those, that's totally fine too. You can even do this practice right in your bed. Meet me in a comfortable seat. Take any seat that's comfortable for you. I'm going to go ahead and sit on a block because that's comfortable for me. If you are taking this practice in your bed, make sure you prop your hips up slightly if you feel like they're sinking into your bed in a seat. Take a moment to close your eyes. Bring your palms to heart center. Tune into your breath. As you turn inward, take a few moments to find some gratitude. Maybe think of 3 things that you're grateful for that happened throughout your day. Bring one palm to your heart and one palm to your belly as you continue deepening your breath. Notice any sensations that come up within your body. Take this time to breathe into your ribcage, expanding the fronts, the sides, and the back, really filling up your lungs with oxygen. And with each exhale, allow one place of tension to soften. Whether that's your mind, your brows, your jaw, your shoulders, maybe it's your toes. Wherever you can relax, find that release. Sit with your breath and turn inward. Begin to tune out any external noises or distractions. Your to-do lists can wait till tomorrow. It's just you and your breath in this moment. If thoughts or distractions do come up, acknowledge them and then let them float away. Take a deep breath in, drop your jaw and sigh it away. One more deep breath in through the nose and sigh it out through your mouth. Open your eyes, bring your palms to your laps or your knees, and drop your left ear to your left shoulder. You can stay here if this is enough for you. If you want a little bit more, extend the right fingertips out to the right, maybe even touching your mat or your bed. And for even more, take the left palm on top of your head, just as a gentle weight, not pulling or forcing. As you inhale, come back to center. Exhale, drop the right ear towards your right shoulder. Again, extend the left arm out if that feels good. Place the right palm on top of your head if that feels good. Just finding a gentle stretch in your neck. Inhale, come back to center. On your next breath, send your arms up overhead as you lengthen your spine. Exhale and turn towards your right, finding a twist. Right palm can support you behind you or even come behind your back as your left palm rests on your right knee or thigh. With each exhale, twist just a little bit more if you can. Inhale, come back to center, raise your arms. Exhale to the opposite side. Right palm rests on your left leg somewhere. Your left palm can support you behind you or come behind your back. Keeping your spine nice and long throughout the twist, creating space for a deeper twist. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, bend your elbows, coming into cactus arm. Then interlace your fingertips behind your back as you drop your shoulders low, maybe even turn your chin and gaze high. Exhale, release, and make your way into a tabletop. A blanket would be great here to support you underneath your knees. As you inhale, drop your belly low and lift your heart high. Exhale, arch your upper back and look through your thighs. Take a few rounds of cats and cows here, following your own breath, going at your own pace. With your next breath, come back to center, and we'll find our way into a reclined butterfly. I'm going to be using my props here because I'm pregnant and that's best for me, but you can take any modifications you like, or you can just find a reclined butterfly straight on your back. So as you make your way onto your back, keep your knees bent, whether you're coming onto a bolster or not. And then begin to open your knees wide and bring the soles of your feet together. Let your arms fall open into a T shape, opening up your heart and chest area here. Your heels can be as close or as far away from your body as you need them to be. The goal here is to find comfort and relaxation. As you settle into your space, come back to your breath, maybe even allow your eyes to close. You might even consider trying a different type of breath here called 4-7-8 breathing. So you inhale for a count of 4, hold your breath for a count of 7, and then exhale for a count of 8. And you can continue this type of breath throughout your entire practice, or just laying in your bed whenever you need help going to sleep. On an exhale, help your knees together, bring your feet flat on the mat, roll over onto your left side. Pause here for a breath or two as you come out of that shape. Then press yourself up into a seat. Move any props or pillows that you used out of your way. And next we'll go into a seated forward fold. So I'm going to be using my blanket again to lift my hips up slightly to help my pelvis tilt forward, but it's not a requirement. With your legs out long, go ahead and bend your right knee, bringing the right heel into your left inner thigh. Inhale, lengthen your spine. An option to just fold forward here or fold over your left leg. Take what works for you and what your body needs. Let your palms rest wherever they land. You can grab onto your toes, ankle, shin, thigh, as deep as you need to go right now in this moment. Again, consider allowing your eyes to just soften here. Really turning inward, coming back to your breath, continuing to let any thoughts or distractions float away. Gently engage your core as you inhale, rise up. Straighten out your right leg, bend your left knee, bring the left heel into your right inner thigh. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, find your forward fold. Again, you can fold straight forward or over your right leg with a gentle twist here. And it's okay if this is not your deepest forward fold. Inhale, gently rise, bending the knees, lower down onto your back. With your feet flat on the mat, go ahead and grab your block or any pillows you might have handy for a supported bridge. As you inhale, lift your hips, place your pillows or a block underneath your hips, and option to straighten out your legs and arms here, or stay in this supported bridge with your knees bent. Again, notice any sensations you might be feeling here. Notice an opening in the front line of your body. Deep breaths in and out. And you can go back to that 4-7-8 breathing if you'd like. On an inhale, lift your hips just enough to remove any props from underneath you. And then roll over onto your front side, finding your child's pose. Again, you can take some support with the bolster or your pillows here, bringing your big toes together, take your knees wide. Allow your torso to release onto your mat or any props. Really settle in, releasing tension with each exhale here, softening wherever you can. If you have one cheek turned down, go ahead and turn the opposite cheek down. Come back to those things you thought of that you're grateful for. On an inhale, press yourself back up and find yourself in a Shavasana. You have a few options here. You can take your legs up the wall. You can take a belly Shavasana. You can take a traditional Shavasana on your back. Or, as I'm doing, you can take a sideline Shavasana. For the sideline Shavasana, I'm going to be using a blanket rolled up underneath my head, and I'll be using a block between my knees. And take what works for you. Relax and release into this space. Take a deep breath in through the nose and sigh it away through your mouth. Melt into your final resting pose. stay here as long as you'd like, and whenever you're ready, come up into a seat or go ahead and continue lying in your bed as you fall asleep. I hope you enjoyed that flow, and if you did, please be sure to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. It always means a lot to me and helps my channel grow when you share my videos. If you share them on social media, be sure to tag me at Flow with Shreya. As always, the clothing I'm wearing, the mat I was practicing on, and any props we've used will be linked in the description bar below in case you're interested. For more relaxing yoga flows, check out this playlist right here. You'll also find Yin Yoga and Vinyasa Yoga on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Namaste.